This is the fidget slider that I designed. It's 3D printed. Each half is two pieces that are glued together. You can still see the holes used in the prototype. This is PTFE low friction tape on each half. Here's how it works. You can slide it over and ladder it up, or you can ladder it down. You can make it loud, or it can be quiet. And I designed it so that it is quieter than most fidget sliders, but you can make it louder if you want. The outside has a worry stone feel with a lot of texture. I hope you like it.